Good morning. We're from ING Bank Poland. My name is Szymon.
My name is Przemek.
And hopefully there will be last two words we're actually going to speak in Polish for today. Now, the reason why we're here as a bank, not as the provider of software, is that we want to show you how do we understand innovation and what do we understand by innovation, how we actually perceive it. So if we can get to the screen, this is what we called My ING. This is an electronic banking system we've created for our customers. We've built it from the scratch. And let's go through it. This is a today's section. A today's section is a simple way to show you how much money do you have as a customer. So what is yours? The bubbles on the left shows you the products. The bubbles on the right shows you the group of products with a beautiful summary. And it's simple, it's intuitive, it's pretty. This is the way how we want customers to see that. If we scroll down, we go into what we called a month section.
And in fact, we present you our front-end system for customers. But that's, of course, only tip of the iceberg. The old challenges are below, under the waterline. What we mean by challenges, the changes in products, improvement in processes, and of course, I think the most important is the sophisticated customer communication engine. So thanks to that engine, we can present to our customer the real-time spending categorization. It's of course easy to show, but most of you know that's really hard to deploy in a proper way. So also thanks to the categorization, we have a budget, if we can go into that. So in fact, the budget for the customer is the easiest way showing what money I spent so far and what is the balance between the preset limit we call here budget to the customer to say how much money I can spend till the last of the month. And what is interesting, when we have started all our tests with customers, we spent with all features more than 1,400 hours with our customer in co-creation, our solution. So we can say our customer come to us and said, hey, you overcomplicated things. We need only very simple solution. And we gave them it.
Yeah, and the simplification is something that happens pretty much every time we try to do something. In the year section, we have a saving goal. And yeah, we are bankers. So when we designed it for the first time, most of the customers during tests were literally terrified. They came to us and say, what are you trying to do? This is way too complicated, way too complex. So we just listened to them. And at the end, we created a very, very simplified saving goal, the saving goal that is all about how much do I want to collect within a proper amount of time. And then comes the advisory part. When we know that the customer is trying to save, we can simply offer a loan. And for all of you guys who are doing any kind of software with loans, this type of cash loan online actually works on click. There are 3 clicks away from having your money on your account real time. This is how it works. If we go back, we can go to history.
So frankly, the cash loans and all savings features are really cool, but most of our customers coming to our system to check their balance, to make transaction, and finally to look at history. History is quite simple solution, of course, but so what is new in that solution? That is the history, not history of the product, exact product, the history of everything what customers to do with us. It's in fact the history of the customer in our bank. We can filter it by the products. We can filter it also in any other way you prefer. And what's also the special for us, for our customers, I think they said, wow, what not to have the Google-like search? By the way, we gave them it.
From the history, well, the history is all about the past, but there's also future, Przemek.
That's also future and upcoming section. In upcoming section, we present our customer the already preset transaction. You have here only one of that, but in fact, our customers have a lot of them, direct debits, standing orders, and similar solution. And also, we came to the conclusion, why not to present our customers the regular transfer they didn't preset so far. So that's our advice part. We are showing, as you see, the regular transaction of the customer. They do it, does it every month. And we are saying to him, would you like to repeat it? And we are giving the several options to repeat the transaction, or just saying, we remind you next month again.
Unfortunately, this customer had the credit card in a different bank, but that one we will deal with on later. Now, the make transaction part is something we're especially proud of. Most of customers come to bank to make transactions, and this is something which is a day-to-day operation. Now, we want to make it simple yet again. And the simplicity means that we don't want you to think about what you actually want to do in the bank terms. We just wanted to tell you from which account to where you want to transfer your money. And to make it even more simpler, we also add the Google-like search in here. So you can just simply type few characters, and by those characters, search immediately from both history on your recipients list, and just repeat the transfer, as simple as it can be. So the reason why we're here, guys, is all about to tell you what do we understand by innovation. And the way we understand innovation is simplicity, prettiness, consistency throughout all the experience you have as a customer, the system that is built with our customers and for our customers, and in the same time enable us to actually perform and do some business on it.
So the evidence that it works, I'm one of the 2 million customers who used our system in the last 6 months. And most of these customers coming back to that system regularly. So that means it's easy to deal with.
We are ING. Thank you very much.
Thank you.